Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and I am here with a collaboration for Hooked on Nails. Our theme for this month of July is Beach Vibes, so I'm going to do my best. I got Big Bang Beauty's plate here, XL002. I think this is a really cool plate. Trying to hold it where you can see the images. It's really cool. I've got my stamper, my scraper, my set of nails that I'm doing my polish is by Nail Reserve. This is the blue is called Another Glass. The nude is called Beauty in the Nude. Excuse me. The nudes you have to watch. I don't know if they're all like this, but this one wrinkled like a white. Put them on a thin coats, ladies. Don't forget, for stamping polish, I've got blue, black, peacock, and white. Our top coat is going to be Igel Beauty's top coat. So we are going to crack on, as Pumpkin would say. We're just going to, do our nails. Ouch. She cracks me up when she says, let's just crack on. We don't say that here in the States. Probably would mean something else than what she means by it. We gotta say beautiful, beautiful pickup. Get your stamper, your scraper, your piece of tape. Take off what you do not want on the nail. Go back over to this side. We got one that's just a little wonky. There we go, there we go, there we go. We're going to be putting these on the thumbnail. We are beach feet going into the water. Hubba hubba. If you're at the beach, you got to get in the water. There ain't no other way about that, right, ladies? We'll be on shore, but we'll still have our feet in the water. Can't mess up our nails. On the second nail, we're going to have the girls from down here. Yes, we are. Let me see what color. We're going to go with the black. So, it's not a good pickup. I hate the ones on the corners of the plate because I can never get a really good pickup off of them. So we're gonna go in again. Whoops. Go in with your lint roll or your tape, whatever you want to use to get the excess off your stamper. And we got us some girls. They're just sitting on the beach. I'm going to put those there. That is our index finger, our second nail. Our third nail, we are going to put the wave. There's a wave here on this plate. Oh God, what am I putting with the wave? Love Summer. So we'll do Love Summer up above. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Of course, it's on the curve. This looks like a jelly. Sticky royal blue jelly. Oh, I don't even know if this is going to show. Okay, I gotta do this off camera to take the excess off because I can't see. This is a jelly. The peacock blue is a jelly sticky stamper that I've got. Oh boy. You can see it, right? This is Love Summer. This is a little cockeyed. We're gonna go with the wave over here. No, with this wave. Where is my royal? Wait a minute. My peacock glue is what I'll use. That is a sticky. Oh, that's a good wave. Is it, where are we putting the wave at? The Love Summer. Oh my god, I put him on the wrong part. Ah! Ah! Love Summer was supposed to go down below. Well, we got a mishap of a nail here. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. We got him reversed. Oh, that sucks. Yeah, it does suck. It is what it is, right, folks? Whoopsie! I made a boo-boo. I made a boo-boo. I made a boo-boo. I did. I definitely made a boo-boo. Here's our dolphin deal. Love that. Knock this stuff over here. Let's clean our nail, our palette, our plate, whatever this thing's called. Just let's get our black. You don't need a whole lot of polish. A little bit goes a long way, and these are expensive. So, waste not, want not. Waste not, want not. Right, right. Take a break. That's what it says. Take a break. I'm going to top coat. I'm going to add some bling. Clean my plate. So clean my plate really well. You should do this before you put your stuff away. What happens if you're doing it right now? Clean your stamper again. Make sure it's clean. Clean all your products before you put them away. Alright, alright, alright. Okay. Let me see that. We got some bling. I have a couple little items here. I got a seashell. Not sure where I'm putting what. I just know I have them. I got, I don't know, about 4 or 5. Alright, alright, alright. I'm going to top coat our nails. This will make a good Shimano Saturday manicure. We had you beach vibes, right, ladies? There is going to be a comment pinned. It should be the playlist for everybody that did a video. It should also be in the description box if I get to it. And there should be a list of participants. Also on Instagram will be the list of participants with a collage with the photo of all the pictures that everyone did. So please take a gander. Sorry about that, I get perks really easy. Really easy. Okay, we've got us a shell. That can only go one place. I'm gonna turn it over. What is this? I can't make out what this is. Oh, I got a seahorse. Gotta use a seahorse. Where can I put that at? We got pineapple. Oh shoot. A little bit of pineapple in there. Love summer. Love summer. So I'm gonna try to pop a few blue ones up here. I don't know. Just gonna pop a few blue ones up here. They're probably not going to match in size. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, alright, alright. I need another one of that caliber. That's too big. Shoot. There. There we go, there we go, there we go. Alright, here we go. We are going to pop these in the lamp for 60 seconds. Give these a full cure. And we'll be back. Okay. They are finished. Finito. They got stuff all over me. Watercolor. 60 stamping powers. I think these turned out really cute. Last minute effort. I thought I had nothing for the beach vibe until that pumpkin's like, look at a plate. So I did. I went through my plates. Found one. So it saves me. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure. For beach vibes, for Hooked on Nails. Don't forget to go through the playlist. Give everybody a view, please. I'd greatly appreciate it, and so would everyone that did a video. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure. Click on the notification bell. I do believe my 5-year giveaway is still going on until July 20th. So go take a gander at that video. Sign yourself up and enter. It is open to everyone. You must be subscribed to my channel, so go subscribe, share, give the videos a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. Please show some love. Love, love, love. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.